Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel, and today we're going to introduce you to Duramax Tuner and Calibrated Power's Stealth Series line of turbos. The cool thing about today is not only are we featuring a badass product, we've also got a brand new whirly table little doohickey thing that Adam got here that's going to give us the ability to spin these products that we're going to be showing you. So before we get into all that spinning, let's talk about what we have today. So this is the Duramax Tuner Stealth Series line of turbochargers, Calibrated Power as well. Duramax Tuner and Calibrated Power make a line of turbochargers for your Dodge pickup guys, and as well as Duramax LB7 all the way to LML trucks. I'm sure L5P is something that they're working on. Also working on some turbo offerings for you Ford guys. So the Stealth Series line of turbos is a 100% drop-in stock appearing turbocharger. That's really important right now for a couple of reasons. Number one, these turbos function 100% smoothly with your emissions equipment on your truck. So no need to reinvent the wheel there. Big time horsepower numbers can be made with the emissions on this truck, and now adding hardware into the mix with that, with your turbocharger, you're really increasing the efficiency of these trucks. So let's talk about the VVT offering. So your LLY Duramax to your LML Duramax trucks. So all of the Stealth Series of the turbos are offered in 64 mil sizing and 67 mil sizing. That is compressor wheel sizing. Now, what are the capabilities of that? Your 64 millimeter turbo is going to be capable of 650 horsepower, proper setup, proper tuning. 67 mil charger is going to be 800 horsepower capable. Again, proper tuning, proper setup needed there. Now, by proper tuning, what I'm saying is, you know, this is a 100% drop-in turbo, but if you want maximum efficiency and just overall correct function of this turbo, custom tuning is going to be required here to get that number out that we're telling you. Let's talk about the hardware of the turbo. Now we get to use our spinny thing here. So talked about the 64 and the 67 millimeter compressor wheel. The compressor covers on these are milled out to accept those wheels. They are also milled out for you know, anti-surge capabilities or anti-surge details. I don't know what the word I'm looking for here is. Anyway, it goes. It's the correct compressor cover for those compressor sizes. Your turbine housing of these turbos. This is going to have a proprietary turbine wheel in here. This is going to be a larger turbine wheel. It's going to flow more air. It is larger than stock, of course. The up pipes are port matched to match the sizing on the up pipes on the Duramaxes. So that's another nice feature of these chargers. The charger cartridge itself, the rotating assembly itself, has got a 360-degree thrust bearing in it. The stock thrust bearing is 270 degrees, so this is a full 360-degree thrust bearing, which is going to give you a lot more durability of this charger. Overall, just a really good charger. Again, so important right now in the market that we're working in right now. For these turbos to function with all emissions control products fully present on your truck and to be able to make a kick-ass horsepower number, this is the turbo that you're going to have to go with. You know, Duramax Tuner one up that by making two sizes in their drop-in charger, which really just gives them more range, more customer base that they're able to get by offering a couple of different sizes in this. On your VVT, again, you know, they've got some proprietary things going on with this, but you do have larger vanes inside of here, updated unison ring, things like that. 1 year warranty on this charger. They're going to stand behind that. Duramax Tuner, when they first started out on their turbo production, They immediately recognized the need to bring their manufacturing process in-house. They did that, invested a lot of money in CNC machines, and to have a full turbo building facility at their operation, they're able to control quality with that, and they just are able to deliver a better product for you. So if you have any questions about the correct turbo for your truck, sizing, setup, anything, we can help you with that. A wealth of information on Duramax Tuners YouTube page as well. They talk a lot about the chargers. Got a lot of pride in this, as well they should. So got any questions on it, give us a call. We would appreciate it. You like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.